creating a captivating garden space involves thoughtful planning and creative decoration. Hi friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you like the ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Here are some ideas to enhance your garden through planters, landscape and backyard designs. Use a mix of planters to add your interest to it. Consider traditional terracotta pots, modern concrete counters, rustic wooden boxes or hanging baskets, no-capped vertical planters or wall-mounted pots to save a space and create lush green view. Get creative with a homemade planters, repurposed old wooden crates, metal cans or even all choose to create unique personalized planters. Paint or decorate with these items which match of your garden's theme. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Install tiered planters to maximize space and showcase a variety of plants. These can be purchased or built from materials like wooden or metals. They are perfect for adding height and interest added to a garden. Consider self-watering plants to make garden maintenance easier. These planters are designed to provide a consistent water supply, ensuring plants receive adequate moisture. Pathways and walkways create inviting pathways using materials like stone, gravel, or paths. These paths guide visitors through your garden and can be lined with plants of lights to enhance their charms. Define garden beds with using materials like brick, stones, or metals. These borders help separate different areas, adding structure and preventing soil from spilling over. No-capped water features like fountain, ponds, or waterfalls to add scene, tranquility, and attract wildlife. These sound of flowing water can be create relaxing ambience. By integrating these ideas, you can transform your garden into a vertical, beautiful space that reflects your style and meets your needs. Thanks for joining. Thanks for visiting.